In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Shipping and Fulfillment for Beginners tutorial. We'll walk through the key settings in your Shopify admin so you can charge the right rates, show accurate delivery times, and prepare labels and packages without confusion. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Settings. From there, choose Shipping and Delivery. This page is your control center. Under your shipping profiles, open rates for your main profile, then select the profile you use for your store. Inside, choose your domestic shipping zone. If you've set price or weight conditions, open the relevant bracket to edit it. Click Add Rate to create a new shipping option. Give it a clear name customers will recognize, set the cost, and choose whether it applies to all products or certain conditions. When you're done, click Done to confirm. If you need multiple options, repeat. Add rate to create additional choices, like Standard and Express, then review and reorder them so your most popular option appears first. Next, scroll to the Shipping Labels section. This is where you control how labels are generated. Open estimated delivery dates and enable the setting so customers see realistic timeframes at checkout. Set business days and cutoff times conservatively to account for prep time, weekends, and carrier delays. While you're here, review local delivery and pickup in store. Turn them on if you offer them. Define your service area, fees, and pickup preparation time, and save your changes. If you use apps for delivery rules, choose Add Delivery Customization and select the app or rule set you rely on, then follow its prompts. Under Packages, click Add Package to store your box, envelope, or soft package presets. Choose a type, enter dimensions and empty weight carefully, and save. Accurate package presets improve rate estimates and label accuracy. If you're just testing, you can back out with Cancel without saving. Some advanced options may prompt you to upgrade your plan. That's normal for carrier-calculated rates or certain automations. Before you finish, open Customize Store Name on shipping labels to control how your sender details appear, then click Save. If you use a third-party warehouse, choose Add Fulfillment Service, enter the provider details they supply, and save to connect. Your provider's documentation will tell you exactly what to enter. That's it. You've set shipping rates, enabled estimated delivery dates, configured local delivery and pickup, saved package presets, and prepared your labels and fulfillment connections. After saving everything, place a test order in your storefront to make sure the right options and prices appear at checkout. With these essentials in place, you're ready to ship with confidence.